In the midst of a dense urban landscape, Inokashira Connected Residence by Moriyoshi Naotake Atelier offers a living solution that balances privacy and social connectedness. Rather than building a conventional apartment complex, the project adopts a unique layout with units separated by private gardens, creating a more serene and natural atmosphere for its residents. With an open design that maintains boundaries between spaces, the residence presents a more organic living experience, where each individual can enjoy the tranquility of their home without feeling isolated from their surroundings. The main highlight of this project lies in the use of open space as a central design element. The terrace on the upper floor, service balconies, and green spaces scattered between the residential units ensure optimal air circulation and abundant natural lighting. In addition to enhancing comfort, this approach also strengthens the visual connection between residents, encouraging social interaction without sacrificing privacy. With natural materials and a simple yet functional structure, the residence is an example of how architecture can provide a better quality of life in a dense urban environment. More than just a place to live, Inokashira Connected Residence presents a new idea of how collective residential design can evolve with the needs of modern society. It is not just a house, but a small ecosystem that allows a balance between private and community space. This project teaches us that a dwelling does not have to be a building that is completely closed from the outside world, but can be a bridge that connects humans with the environment and each other.